Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share location from the Google Maps application. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now I'm just going to enter the Google Maps application, click on it, and basically you can choose for any location that you would like. So here, let's, for example, choose this location, and basically you can search for a specific one. You can choose for restaurants if you like. So for example, I want restaurants in this region. I will just have here and show list of any restaurants in this region. And let's suppose I want to share this location. I will just go here and click on share, and basically you can share it to anyone from your contacts. Also, this can apply to any type of place or any type of location. So for example, I can go to any point. So for example, I will just pinpoint here, and basically even if it's not like a saved place or it doesn't have a name or a specific place, I can share this coordination. You will need just to go here and share, and also you can copy this coordination as you can see on the top. You can send it to anyone here from your contacts, and you can do whatever you like. Also, you can add your own labelings for this place, and it should be confirmed at the end. So it is as simple as that. You will need just to click for any place, any uh, point, or any location on the map. You share it, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.